Okay, everybody. Just thought we'd pop back in here and give you a little sneak peek of what will eventually be our little makerspace in the basement. Kind of rough right now.
Yeah.
We have some work to do, but it's not bad. I believe it's about, I don't know, it's probably 6 by 12 on the floor. And it's about 7 foot tall, and we got us a nice bench. I don't know what I'll do there. A little bit of an outside light window. I think what we'll end up doing is, there's Patrick. I think we'll just have some floor down here, put some laminate flooring down here, seal it up, put some outlets. I got a bunch of old kitchen cabinets that I've taken out during the remodel. I think we'll put a row of cabinets up there and then a spot over there maybe for the 3D printer. And we'll just see how it goes. Got to get some lighting in here. Right now I just got some temporaries set up so we can see what we're doing, but there you are. There's a sneak peek at our new makerspace. I think it's going to be kind of nice. We'll get her all set up. I'll give you some little videos as we make progress on it. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Bye, everybody.